And now to the top stories that we're following today, starting with your first alert weather.
What a change, right? So it is a windy, really cold one out there right now. Meteorologist Jeff Harrington joining us with the forecast. What are we looking forward to today?
Hey, you two. Well, those winds have been dangerous, toppling trees. Unfortunately, there's not much to look forward to. You look at the temperature, 25. You factor in the wind chill, 9 degrees. Beautiful view of this city. You can see the camera jolting and shaking around there when you consider this. Wind speeds right now at Logan, 53 miles per hour. On the Cape, Provincetown, you've got a wind gust of about 45 miles per hour. So this is what I wanted to show you. This is the scene in Revere. The winds have been so powerful, they've toppled trees. Melody and Latoya will have more on this coming up after I finish with the weather report. So hang with us over the next little bit. Here's your current wind chill temperatures in the single digits for many, including us in Boston, 2 in Worcester, 6 in Fitchburg. You go to New Hampshire, not much better. Concord feeling about 7 degrees right now. And those wind chill temperatures, I'm afraid they're not going to get much better throughout the day. 10, 11, 12, maybe 13 degrees is what it's going to feel like. The one good thing, the silver lining, at least it's sunny, at least it's dry. But wow, what a difference from yesterday. I've stopped this now Tuesday, 1 p.m., just to show you those winds are still going to be cranking anywhere from 40, 50 miles per hour. I think in a few spots, we can't rule out wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. So more trees will be toppled. I think this is going to cut some power too. So top temperature today, 28 degrees. That's colder than it should be at this time of the year. And same goes for those overnight temperatures. We'll do double twos in Boston, 21 in Plymouth, 24 in the Vineyard. Okay, you got a 27 in Nantucket, but that's still colder than it should be at this time of the year. Windy today, New Year's Eve. We'll bump up the temperature a bit, maybe right to freezing at 32, but that's still cold. A bit of snow is going to be flying around the time we're celebrating. So let me press play, see where this goes. 11 p.m. We've got a bit of snow flurries for central western Mass. That keeps going into Boston, probably during the wee hours on Thursday. So that's the first couple hours of 2026. Probably by 6 a.m. we'll get another quick shot of flurries. Then it's out of there. We'll see some sunny skies by the afternoon for the first day of 2026. How much snow are we talking? Not a lot, just a little bit of a dusting, 1 inch, I think, at top. So a little bit of a coating, we can call it. It's definitely a cold week ahead. Temperatures will be stuck in the upper 20s, low 30s. That's over the next few days. But here, let me show you the 10-day forecast. Unfortunately, all of these days, top numbers, bottom numbers, colder than they should be at this time of the year. As we ring in 2026, you guys, there will be a few flurries flying around then. Can't believe we're already here. Back to you.
Yeah, no kidding, Jeff. Thank you. All right, check it out. This is breaking news we're following in Revere for you right now. Jeff's been talking about those strong winds all morning long. Well, they're doing some damage. This wind's toppling this tree. That tree then took down 2 utility poles and a whole bunch of wires. Look at all those wires hanging over the street. This is on Janvern Ave at East Mountain Street. So crews are there, as you can see. They're trying to remove the tree and get those wires out of the street, but it is a very dangerous situation. So we're going to bring you more information as it comes into the newsroom. And if you want to keep an eye on the forecast, all you have to do is scan the QR code on your screen right now to download our NBC Boston app. You can also set up severe weather alerts for where you live.